Welcome to MSc class. Today I am going to teach you lesson 3, the new emperor. Once upon a time there was a great emperor in China. The emperor had no successor to rule after him. He thought a lot of decided to find an heir to the throne from the kingdom. He wanted to choose a child who was as honest as he was. He wanted to train the children under him so that the kingdom would be ruled by a king, a kind and honest king. So he thought of a competition. He invited all the children of the kingdom to his palace. एक बार क्या हुआ ना, एक बड़ा राजा, चाइना का एक बड़ा राजा, वो उनका बाद में कौन राजा माने सिंहासन में बैठेगा, उसके लिए उनको बहुत चिंता पड़ गया. वो बहुत चिंताग्रस्त थे. इसीलिए तो एक बार क्या हुआ ना, वो अच्छा ऑनेस्ट माने सोचोट राजा को खोजने के लिए वो क्या किए, बहुत बच्चा सबको बुलाए अपना राजप्रसाद में. अच्छा ऑनेस्ट किंग कौन बनेगा, उसके लिए एक कंपटीशन रखे. और कंपटीशन के लिए वो पैलेस में बहुत बच्चा सबको इनवाइट किए. He gave them each a bag of seeds and said, "These seeds would be bloom into beautiful flowers. Sow these seeds and take care of them for 1 year. After 1 year, I would look at the flower grown by each child. The child who will grow the most beautiful flowers would be any successor." राजा के किए ना, भरा हुआ बीजा बैग सबको को एक ठो दिए. उसका बाद बोले 1 साल का बाद सब कोई सुंदर फूल उगा के लाना. With that, all the children went home with their bags of seeds. Jiang was one of the boys. He was a hardworking, honest boy. He was also a good gardener. He tended the seeds with great care. He did everything that a good gardener would do, but with no luck. He worked throughout the year but could produce nothing. वो बच्चा का बीच में एक तो था लड़का जियांग. वो बहुत ऑनेस्ट एंड हार्डवर्किंग बॉय था. वो क्या किया ना, उसका अच्छा गार्डनर भी था, माने अच्छा देखभाल करता था पेड़ सबको. वो क्या किया, बहुत मेहनत किया वो फूल का ये में, लेकिन कुछ भी उसका फूल उगा नहीं. फाइनली द ईयर पास्ड and it was time to return to the palace with the pots. Jiang was very upset and he had nothing to show. He told his father that he didn't want to go. All of the other children had been bragging about their beautiful flowers. Only he had nothing to show. सबको लास्ट में क्या हुआ, 1 ईयर पास हो गया तो वो जियांग क्या बहुत अपसेट हो गया. देखा इतना मेहनत करने का बाद भी उसका ये पॉट में कुछ फूल उगा नहीं. तो उसका पापा को बोला, हम राजप्रसाद नहीं जाएंगे, एक खाली पॉट लेके राजप्रसाद नहीं जाएंगे और क्या दिखाएंगे. Jiang's father told him that he had worked his hardest and done his best, and that was good enough. He encouraged his son to go so. उसका जियांग का पापा बोले, अरे तू तो इतना मेहनत किया था उसका पीछे और तो तभी भी फूल उगा नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा. जो भी किया है तू बहुत किया है और कुछ नहीं होगा, तुझे राजप्रसाद जा. Jiang took the empty pot and stood amidst hundreds of children with their huge and colorful flowers. All the children stared at his empty pot and made fun of him. जियांग को एम्प्टी मैंने खाली वाला पॉट देख के इतना सारा बच्चे देख के उसको बहुत हंस पड़े. और ये after examining all the flowers, the emperor called Jiang forward and asked him what happened in tears. Jiang told him how hard he had worked. The emperor heard his story and said, "My boy, I am proud of you. You would be the next emperor." सबको परीक्षा की है. उसका बाद राजा बोले कि राजा को बॉय बोला, जियांग बोला कि हम इतना मेहनत किए, इतना ये किए, लेकिन कुछ फूल उगा नहीं. सॉरी बोल के बोला. तो राजा उसका जितना स्टोरी सब बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे हुआ बोल के. तो राजा सुन के बोले तू बहुत गुड बॉय है और हम तेरे ऊपर बहुत गर्व करते हैं क्योंकि तुम इतना ऑनेस्ट है, मैंने इतना सचोट लड़का है, तू मेरा बाद में राज संभालेगा. Everybody was shocked to hear the emperor's words. He then explained, "I don't know how everyone else grew flowers because what I had given were boiled seeds. They could not be turned into plants anyway." He praised the boy for his honesty and chose him the next emperor of China. सबको शौक में हो गया. रे वो कुछ भी खाली पॉट देख के सब शॉक्ड हो गए कि कैसे राजा ऐसे बोल दिए कि ये तो हम तो दिए थे बॉयल वाला सीड्स दिए थे, अब फूल तो उग नहीं सकता, कैसे लोगों माने फूल कैसे उगा दिए. वो बहुत खुश है. बॉय को जियांग का प्रति बहुत खुश हो के बोले बहुत ऑनेस्टी, और उसको चुना गया एम्परर, नेक्स्ट एम्परर चाइना का चुना गया. Honesty is an important and admirable characteristic that a person can have. Honesty is a great virtue which is adored all over the world. To be honest means you always speak the truth. But remember, telling the truth may be difficult, but saves you from further trouble. An honest person is valued and respected by all. Read once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.